Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal working at LEXIS and Company law firm as a junior associate. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you a legal topic related to AI, right? So the first question I would like to ask you that can AI replace human lawyer? So on this topic, Debanjan Mandal of Fox and Mandal had said something which is very interesting for you to understand and basically for your legal knowledge. So let's start our discussion without any further delay. Debanjan Mandal or D Mandal has said that however advanced it is, AI cannot replace a human lawyer. Why he said so? Let's start our discussion and let's in this video understand why he said so. Fox and Mandal partner Debanjan Mandal has been with the 125-year-old firm for the past 24 years. In this interview, in his interview, recent interview, the interviewer asked him some questions related to the present scenario and AI's role. He answered very intelligently with very intelligency. So it is very interesting for you to understand. The first is the reporter asked him that how do you find a balance between maintaining the traditions of the firm and adapting to the changing times. So what he said that I believe that the legacy of 125 years was has survived through changing times due to the sheer merits and resilience of the lawyers who have held its helm over generations. And he also said that the firm was established in or around 1896 when the Indian economy was worth $66 million, right? The English crown ruled over India. An Englishman, Thomas B. M. Drafted the Indian Penal Code. There were three chartered high courts which were in Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai, as well as the Supreme Court in India. Supreme Court of India was in Kolkata at that time. The firm still exists when the current economy of the country is over $3 trillion, right? It is the world's largest democracy. Delhi has a Supreme Court of India and with 25 high courts in the states. Over the years, Fox and Mandal has transitioned from a family-owned entity to a professionally run institutions, right? As a firm, we have always been knee on keeping up and adapting to change. As a client-centric firm, we believe in the he said that we believe in a long-term relations with several and several of our clients have been with us for generations now, right? And another question which was being asked to him is three different firms have been set up with remarkably similar name claiming the same legacy. Can you sift through this issue for us? So he said that Fox and Mandal was established in 1896 and has never gone through a split. Fox and Mandal is and has always been a separate independent law firm. Over a period, different entities were created by some of the partners of Fox and Mandal with similar names. Let me explain. He said that let me explain in detail. Fox and Mandal is probably one of the he said that Fox and Mandal is one of the probably the only instance of an Indo-British joint value venture in the legal profession to have been in continuous existence for more than 125 years. The firm started as a partnership between John Kerr Fox, an attorney of English origin, and Gokul Chandra Mandal, an Indian attorney, right? After the demise of Fox and Mandal, the firm partnership had become reconstituted several times in 1984. He said that in 1984 the partnership was reconstituted with Dinabandhu Mandal, Arun Kumar Mandal and their nephew, right? Name of his nephew was Ashok Kumar Dharre, were taken on board, right? These three, he said that these three to also open a new law firm with other partners titled Fox Mandal and Company, headquartered in New Delhi. That's what he answered when he was being asked this question. And the another question was being asked to him, that what promoted the move to expand your footprint in North India by collaborating with Alpha Partners and Black Robe Chambers in Delhi. So he said that along with stabilizing the core leadership team, we have spent a lot of time in doing the groundwork before going bullshit on expansion without a robust leadership team and operational support are often short lived, right? I decided to embark on a new journey of growth and expansion after years of steady and successful operations in East India. So that's what he said that regarding this question. I hope you understood in this video, through this video. And see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.